Have you ever went to a bank? You had the plan, the vision, the drive, and then they looked at your credit score and said no. Then you started researching credit unions and banks, and every single one that you found required a 680 credit score or higher just to get started. Look, today we're breaking down a credit union that solves both of those problems, and they're open to anyone in the United States.
And when I say anyone, I mean anyone, Money Magnets. Bad credit, thin credit, rebuilding credit, good credit. This credit union has the product that fits every stage of your financial journey.
Right.
And before this video is over, you are going to know exactly which product fits your situation right now.
All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm Marvin Smith.
And I'm Gloria Smith.
And welcome back to the Marvin and Gloria Smith channel, your home of the credit union breakdowns, business funding strategies, and everything in between. Today, we're doing a deep dive into Fortera Federal Credit Union. And if you've been sleeping on this one, guys, I need you to wake up.
That's right, Money Magnets, because Fortera was just ranked number 2 on Forbes Best Credit Unions in Tennessee for 2026. And the products that they offer are unlike most credit unions you have seen on this channel.
Yep.
Here is what most people do not know. Fortera is not just for Tennessee residents, okay? Anyone in the United States can join. I am going to show you exactly how in just a few moments.
All right, let us start right here, because the number one question we always get is, how do I qualify to join?
Yes.
And with Fortera, the answer is simple. You don't need to work for a specific employer. You don't need a military connection. Anyone can join with just a share savings account and a checking account. You only need to deposit $10.
Okay, Money Magnets, let us start with the foundation. If your credit needs work, Fortera has a credit recovery loan, sometimes called a credit repair loan. And this is one of the most powerful tools I have seen for rebuilding.
All right, and when it comes to the credit cards, Fortera has options for every credit profile.
Yes.
The core credit card starts with a deposit as low as $300, which becomes your credit limit. This is perfect for rebuilding. Look, after about 6 to 12 months, you can graduate to an unsecured card, and then you'll get your deposit back.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into some of these cards.
Okay.
The World Card 101 for excellent credit. Now you get 3 points on gas. You get 2 points on restaurants and groceries,
Right.
1.5 points on everything else. DoorDash and Lyft perks as well. A $50 annual fee but the first year is actually free.
Right.
Okay. You get travel benefits that include trip cancellation insurance and airport concierge, and I love that. But let's go to the next card, which is the Select card. Best of both worlds, okay? You get 1 point for every dollar spent towards travel, cash back on merchandise, and this card has low rates. It also has a pre-qualification available without hurting your credit. Automatic credit increases with on-time payments, Money Magnet.
Yep.
Now, the last card is the Power card. Now, this one has low rate focus. So it focuses on, if you want that low interest rate card.
Right.
For members who want seriously low rates for the day-to-day spending with no extra fuss, best for big purchases where carrying a balance if possible.
But the product that most of you came here for, the one that can change your financial situation overnight, that one is coming right now.
Yes.
Look, Fortera offers personal loans up to $40,000.
Yes.
Unsecured, meaning no collateral required. You're not risking your home, your car, or your business assets. APR starts at 9.9% for well-qualified buyers, and terms range anywhere from 12 to 60 months.
Okay, Marvin, let's break down the numbers for our Money Magnets. We're talking a $40,000 loan at 10% APR for 60 months. That's going to run you about $850 a month.
And that's the key, Gloria. You can use this loan to consolidate personal credit cards, or if you're smart, you might want to start a business. That's good leverage, and that's what our Money Magnets do.
Okay, this is what I like. There are no prepayment penalties. If you have extra cash flow, then you can just pay it off early and save on the interest.
Look, start with what you qualify for. Prove yourself, then scale up.
Yes.
Don't get discouraged by the starting limit. Look, 6 months to a year down the line, you guys are going to laugh at where you probably started out at.
Now, what if you do not need a lump sum? What if you need money available when you need it?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Without applying all over again. That is the next product. And it is our favorite.
Exactly.
Okay, Money Magnets, I need you to pay attention because this one is a cash flow changer for business owners. Fortera offers a personal line of credit, a PLOC, up to $25,000 with a variable rate starting around 10.5%.
And here's why the PLOC is so powerful. You only pay interest on what you actually use, not the full credit amount. So imagine if you got a $25,000 line and you only draw $10,000. You can access funds instantly via check, online transfer, a linked debit card. It's like having an emergency capital on standby 24/7.
That's right, Money Magnets. This is perfect for business owners with seasonal cash flow or unexpected opportunities like inventory pops up. You draw from your line. You need equipment. It breaks down.
Right.
You draw from your line. You have a marketing campaign showing a great ROI. You scale up with your line.
And when revenue comes in, guess what, guys? Pay it down. Replenish your available credit. So if you had $25,000 and you only needed to borrow 10, pay that 10 off and think of it as a revolving safety net, an opportunity fund all rolled into one. Interest rates are lower than most credit cards. So if you need to carry a balance for 30 to 90 days, you're actually saving money.
That's correct. But for those of you who are watching that need transportation for your business, or you just need a new vehicle, Fortera has you covered too.
All right, check this out. Fortera finances new and used vehicles. We're talking cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and boats.
Nice.
With rates as low as 5.49% for new vehicles and 5.99% for used with excellent credit. Terms go up to 84 months. That's 7 years, which keep your monthly payments manageable, even on a higher priced vehicle.
Just like with us, Marvin, we just had to buy a van for our restaurant.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, these kind of rates make a real difference on your monthly budget.
Right.
A $30,000 vehicle at 6% APR for 72 months run you about $485 a month.
Right.
This is affordable for most business budgets.
Exactly. And here is the business owner advantage, okay? If you use a vehicle for business purposes, you may be able to deduct mileage and actual expenses, including loan interest. All right, Fortera also offers pre-approval, which gives you more negotiating power at the dealership. You walk in like a cash buyer, no prepayment penalties. And let me tell you guys, on their website, you have to schedule an appointment to apply for these things.
Now, I know some of you watching have a 700 credit score or higher, okay? And you are ready to take everything we just covered and put it to work right now. This next part is just for you.
All right, Money Magnets, if this video is opening your eyes to what is possible with Fortera, I need you to do 3 things for me right now. Number 1, hit that like button.
Yes.
Number 2, drop the word capital in the comments below.
Yes.
That tells us that you're serious about accessing capital, and it helps this video reach more people who actually need it. And hit the subscribe button so you never miss any of our credit union breakdowns or our business funding videos. Look, we're dropping gems like this every single week.
And keep in mind, Money Magnets, we read every single comment. So drop your question below and guess what? We'll answer them for you.
Now, the next part is for a specific group of people watching. All right, if your credit score is at 700 and above and you're ready to put a real funding strategy together for your business, I want to talk to you personally, me and my team. I want you to click the link in the description below and book a business strategy call with our team.
And on that call, guess what, Money Magnets? We're going to look at your situation, your whole credit profile, your business, and your funding goals, and map out exactly which Fortera product, which credit union, and which SBA programs put you in the best position to get approved right now, okay? We can help you build a funding roadmap, right, Marvin?
Yes, and this call is for business owners who are ready, not exploring, not curious, the people who are ready to move. If your score is not 700 yet, look, keep watching the channel. We have content specifically designed to help you get above 700. But if you're at 700 above, I need you guys to click that link and look, jump on this call so we can build together.
Okay, now money magnets. I know some of you watching are thinking about Navy Federal because
Right.
that's what we hear about all the time. Maybe you are a new member and you are wondering how can you maximize what they offer.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? We have dropped a video that answered exactly that question.
All right, guys, click the video on the screen right now. We
Yes.
break down exactly how new Navy Federal members can access up to $80,000 in credit, even if you got bad credit. Step by step, guys. Click that video. We'll see you over there. And remember,
Let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.